fantastic album, man. Let me borrow it.
No, my brother. You've got to buy your own.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. It's your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. All right, before we get into this video, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. I'm not gonna do a review. You already know these the Flint 13s. I picked these joints up like last Saturday. If you haven't seen the video, check out the video. Like I said, no review. You already seen the joints. I am gonna give y'all a few looks on these joints, talk about them just right quick, and what's going on with them. We did have another what is it? Oh, we did have another restock, and not like a robbery. But anyway, I am gonna be getting on that on foot though. So 400 likes for that top 5 best on foot. Only probably like 4 top feet are out there. And you know me, I'm about to
picking the lock, coming through the door blasting, you know what I'm saying?
bogart my way to the top.
I think you're coming much stronger than that, sir.
But anyway, yo, before we get into this joint, man, I got this pickup from Into the AM. You already know, use the link to my discount. It's a 10% discount. It saves you upon any type of sales that they have. They also have a t-shirt club that you can use my discount code WAVY80. The first month is free, and then every month after that it's like $14.95. They send you like a free tee. But anyway, let's get into this joint. In my black tee. Somebody said the last thing I needed was tees, but you already know. Can never have too many tees. So yo, got this black tee right here from Into the AM.
Yeah, I can see that.
This is the basic black tee. 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Feels real good up on you.
Like a lady.
Matter of fact, after I try these joints on, I might be able to next go round be like, yo, I need that medium, because this joint right here is a medium, you know what I'm saying? No drinking for, I'm on day like almost 50 something, I guess.
So what?
Next up, okay, I like this one right here. Yes, sir. Like the green one right here. Boom, kind of greenish. Then you got that white Into the AM logo right there. Nice little subtle joint. One thing I do like about this tee right here, I can tell when you wash it, it's still gonna be durable, and you're not really gonna get that get too bad of a fade on this joint. The dyes are actually softer, giving it more of a lived-in look, like a little hit of that distressed look, like it's kind of like faded a little bit. So that's one thing I do like about this. Yeah, can't wait to rock that one. Purple City. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. This joint nice too. Damn.
That's them good, okay?
Both the purple and black tees are real buttery soft poly cotton blend. They come in 8 different colors, including the staples like the white and black. And last but not least, I think I got one of these already. I don't know. Gotta go check, but I did like that color. This is their blue jean colorway, real soft and loopy for the summer. Well, I think it might be time for the mediums, boy. You know what I'm saying? All right, say right now you like, yo, you know what? I like these colors right here. I like these 3. How much would you be paying for them? Huh? 50? Huh? Nah. 40 bucks. Nah, matter of fact, you're not gonna be paying 40 bucks. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit my link in the description below, and you're gonna save 10% on that 40. My math is bad, but I think it's like $4 off, so it'll be around 36. So you already know, man. Yo, check out Into the AM. Shout out to Into the AM again for lacing your boy. And it ain't gotta be these 3. It can be, you can do this 3. Or you can just go on the site right now and check out whatever type of basic tee that y'all wanna do. Get 3 of them joints, use my discount code, save you some money. All right, now, before it rains out here, because it's looking bad, man. I was trying to hold off to some sunny weather, but it don't look like we getting it, man. Finally got these damn 13s in, boy. These damn Flints. We did get another restock from Dick's Sporting Goods, but in Not Like a Robbery. My homeboy, shout out to my homeboy D, he be hitting me up every day. Oh man, it was just so quick. Get a bot, that's it. You get a bot, you know what I'm saying? That's just get a bot, you know, like what? Ain't no shame.
Don't be proud.
Get a bot or pay that extra, you know what I'm saying? The choice is yours. So anyway, yeah, I already checked these joints out. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't see any crazy flaws on my joint. Man, I really can't wait. Well, no, these are gonna be on ice for a while because I still got my joints, but damn, I really wanna take a picture and catch that 3M though. That's what I really wanna do. Man, I am glad that I got these joints. Let me know, did y'all hit on this last restock or did y'all get y'all pair? Yeah, I got my pairs in a size 10. I paid that up, I paid that $250, but hey, it was worth it for me. I did want these joints. Yeah, granted, Michael Jordan never played in these joints, but you know what I'm saying? Wavy sure did. You know what I'm saying? Wavy played in them, played a few.
Macaroni.
Yeah, so yeah, man, finally got them. Yo, let me know, do y'all keep the cover on your damn hologram joints? I do. You see, I'm just trying to like buy time. But yeah, man, so I think what I'm gonna do is for my on foot, I got a light pair of jeans, I got a gray pair, I got some 2 pair of sweats, and I got another distressed pair. So I think all in all, I'm putting on 5 pair of joints for these, man. Again, 400 likes on this vid. I appreciate it. So anyway, man, I guess that's enough looks on these joints. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Word up. Again, shout out to Into the AM. Don't forget, discount code is in the link below. Damn, I'm just swinging like mom on this joint. But anyway, don't forget, discount code is in the description of the video below. And they do got that t-shirt club that you can join, Wavy 80. First month free, next month after that, $14.95 for the tee. Rhymed. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob and everybody that's been rocking with me. I appreciate y'all. Word up. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel must go at your beats, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.
I don't even, the definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
Tell them, I'm my baby ride. I'm on my paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Paper ride. Paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Wow, wow. Oh, this fucking paper ride. Bitch, I'm on my paper ride. Oh, this fucking paper. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Like a. Yeah. Yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route. I just let my words see poppin' cause the hood breeze. Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood bring. Talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, then I ain't off it. I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow. This is how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang, 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 bang. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gon' be on standby. Very bottle landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone. Cause I'm on a paper route.
If you ain't top 5 dead or alive, man, I wish that nigga was here. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best.
Look for look, bitch for bitch. That's me, bro.
Oh, oh, oh.